Hi, I'm Randall and welcome to part 5 of building Goose's motorcycle from Mad Max. I've got a great video lined up today and I'm excited that everything is coming together so nicely. I'm going to update you about the rearset situation I was facing, and I'm also going to show off the great radio that Goose uses on his bike. And I've also received the correct decals for the bike too, which look great. And like always, I want to thank everyone for your support, your comments of encouragement, and everyone that has helped me get this far. I couldn't have done it without you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Now, if you remember in episode 2, I was facing the dilemma of what to do about the rear sets. Now, you can get rear sets for new bikes all over the place, but for older bikes, they just aren't being made due to the lack of popularity. Many people had mentioned that Tarosi made a set that would bolt onto the KZ1000, but I couldn't find these anywhere. I contemplated having a set fabbed up from scratch, but knew that was going to be the most expensive and last option. Well, after continued search, I finally found a website that said they had a set for my bike. Now, I will say it did take some time for them to get here from Europe, but they did arrive and they are absolutely awesome. Let me show you. You can see how I've got them test fitted for now, and I'm going to permanently mount them after the frame gets back from the powder coating. I chose the flip-up pegs, although they did have the static fixed position set available. Again, I'm trying to get the bike to look as close to the movie bike as possible. Now, these allow the bike to really have rider's stance as close to Goose's bike and also give it that great look. So the rear sets are done and in the book, and I'll leave the link to the seller's website in the description below the video. They are out of the Netherlands, but the website does translate to English. Now, the next goodie I'm excited to show off is the Replica radio. This is truly a masterpiece of craftsmanship. This was handmade by a fella in Australia named Richard Budge. Richard obviously does great work and takes a lot of pride in what he makes. Not only does the radio look exactly like the one in the movie, but it actually works. Check this out.
Main force to Gosling 1. Code 44, standard pursuit. Please respond. MFB to Gosling 1.
Hey fellas, are you okay? Acknowledge me, Bobber, acknowledge. Are you okay? I am the Night Rider. I'm a fuel-injected suicide machine. Big Bobber to March here. We're still in the game, okay? I understand this.
This is a routine pursuit, code 44.
Listen, you tell them we need some help. This should be an open code blitz and you...
However,
Main Force Patrol, we're out of the game, unable to continue pursuit. You better send a meat truck. Charlie's cocked a saucepan in the throat. Hey, Max! Hey, Max! Go ahead. We are 100% snaffle.
Richard included all of the terminal connections to make a seamless connection that looks like it was done professionally. Very nice work. I picked up this speaker online for pretty cheap to use with it. I'm going to have it painted to match the bike as well. But check this thing out. He even built it with a switch for the blue police lights. Richard, you do great work. I absolutely love it. Now, if this is something you would be interested in getting for your build, I'm going to link the Facebook site to get in touch with him. Now, finally, I have the complete set of decals for the bike as well. And you can see these things are highly detailed. They're printed on heavy-duty vinyl, the correct type, to go on paint under the clear coat. I'm really impressed by these again. They are very well made and high quality and are going to look great on the bike after fresh paint. These are available on Mad Max Car's site, but I got these from Scott Wood from mfpbadges.com.au. Scott has personally built a Goose bike and has really been a wealth of information when it comes to questions about my build. I got the MFP side badges from him as well, so that they aren't decals, but actually the real thing. And if you haven't been to MFP Badges in a while, you need to check it out. He's got some new stuff that is very cool. Perfect gifts for the Mad Max fan, you know. Keychains, pin and badge sets for all the characters in the movie, and some other really cool stuff as well. Scott, I can't thank you enough for everything you've done for me. You have really helped me out a lot. So again, thank you very much. If you'd like to get a set of decals, I'll link both MFP Badges and Mad Max Cars site in the description. Well, that wraps up this episode. I want to thank you all again for your help and support. Without you, this would not be possible. Keep an eye out for the next video. Hopefully it'll be ready soon as I continue the build. Take care.